Hey, good morning, fellas. How we doing? How are we doing? No way, Johnny. Oh, man, you bought at the bottom, went to sleep. You woke up at 5 a.m. and saw it was up huge. Oh, man. That's a great feeling. Hey, Timbo, good morning. Perfect play. Trading ever after. Good morning. Black coffee. Good morning. Go and trades. Here's Johnny. R5 Studios. Good morning. Good morning. Namak, good morning. Trade Bomb, good morning. Good to see you. Matty Matt, good morning. M. Susan, good morning. Tate, good morning. Matty Matt, you're nervous? Just remember, Matty Matt, it's okay to take a loss, okay? You have to keep telling yourself that. Alua Tosin, good morning. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Good morning. Roberto Tobor. Good morning. Josh, good morning. Max90, good morning. Man, what a crazy, crazy move we had overnight. I have some serious FOMO. Remember how I told you guys that I like trading the overnight? Last night I had a meeting and I wasn't able to trade usually I like trading from 8:30 to like 10:30. So I wasn't able to trade in that time frame. And then I was going to get up early to trade the overnight and I completely overslept. I slept through that whole move and yeah, I'm pretty sad about it. Hey, D Versatility, good morning. Orlando, good morning. Josh, All right, we are pulling back here at the open. Kind of expected. Usually this is what happens when we have such a massive move. The question just becomes, how big is that pullback going to be? I guess we just got to wait and see. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. Good morning, Nemo. Nimo. Hey, Cal, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Do I have a link for that drone shot you did with a change in seasons, Mr. Wall Street? Yeah, I do actually. Let me hang on. Oh dear. Sorry, I'm listening to some drama. So, where's Rad Poker? I'm gonna wait. I want to wait. I just hang on. Let me. Oh man, if I can find it here. Oh, there it is. It makes me really sad that that video only has 150 views. That's sad. I think I need to do something different with the thumbnail or the title. Like the title or something is wrong in it. Because I feel like it's a video that's worth at least 2,000 views. At least. But you know what you gonna do? To think that I spent over a year creating that video and it gets 150 views. Yikes. That's a yikes. Yeah, I do. I agree. Give me a I need some ideas. Oh wow, look at this pullback. Wow. That is crazy. Sharoos put 80% sale on it. Apex 80% sale on it. It will get 100K views. Oh, that's too funny. That's too funny. I need a better description, like the location, time spent creating it. Yeah, I guess that might be true. Who won the duck race? No way. Trading Ever After. You weren't even here for it? What? You got to rewind the stream from yesterday. I put your name in. You got your name in there. But it was Trade Bum, I think. I think Trade Bum won. Let's go, Matty Matt. You caught that dump? Let's go. I'm so cheering for you, Matty Matt. I'm so cheering for you. I want to almost like... I'm so cheering for you, Matty Matt. Let's go. You were on tilt? No. I'm sorry, Trading Ever After. Yeah, Matty Matt. Shut it down. That's right. All right. Well, this is a very... this is a pretty big pullback here. Guys, I'm telling you guys, someone needs to do a channel. Someone needs to create a YouTube channel. I'm not kidding, man. Sergio, good morning. Someone needs to create a YouTube channel and just the only thing this YouTube channel would do is to post videos of the prop firm drama that goes on. I'm telling you, it would be a killer channel. It would be a killer channel, man. Tanya Trades and Patrick Wieland. Woo, baby. They are not... Oh, remember when they were all... hey, it's all good. They were all lovey-dovey again toward each other. Woo. I guess that is no longer the case. Man, things got ugly this morning. It's done by Kellyanne. Nah, I'm talking about the YouTube, like the streamer drama and stuff. But it would require some dedication. It would require some time to do it. But I'm telling you what, I think it would be pretty popular. All right, we are down here, right here at the pivot point, the 410s, the 420s right here. I think this could be a place where we see a bounce. It could be. Again, I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to trade from this open here. I mean, this is violence. Yeah, so yesterday Patrick Wieland was starting to talk crap about Tanya. And of course, how, she's obviously she trades ICT, and he was trying to start beef with that. And this morning, Tanya Trades, she took off the gloves, and she was showing messages. It got real quick. Oh man, that's too funny. And yeah, she was revealing messages that Patrick Wieland was sending to her. The last message. So, do you guys remember when? Do you guys remember when Tanya Trades and Patrick Wieland were going to have a trading competition? This was like in the spring, I think. All right, look at this. We're getting our first bounce off that 420 level, right off of this pivot point. Now, the question is, will it hold? Or is this just a stair-stepping it down? And yeah, it got pretty ugly. Where's Red Poker? I mean, I feel bad for Tanya, to be honest. Patrick is such a douchebag. Guy is such a douchebag. So they did a collaboration stream, but then after that, they were going to do like a friendly trading competition of sorts. Something to the effect where they were just going to do a friendly trading competition between the two. And I guess things got a little bit out of control. And the last message that Patrick Whelan, the last text that PW sent to Tanya was F you. And she showed it. She showed the receipts. Oh, ooh. Things got dicey. Things got dicey real quick. I'm like, go get him, Tanya. Go get him. Guy is a straight up douchebag. All right, we are trying to make a move higher here. Let's see if it can do it. Was it on stream? Yeah, Maddie Matt. Yeah, it was on stream. She's yeah, Tanya made a very critical mistake. First mistake was to trust Patrick Whelan. I tried to warn her. When Patrick donated like $100 to her stream. I responded to her and I told her, hey, just make sure he doesn't refund it. Anyway, too funny. All right, let's see if we get a rip higher here. If we get above this 470 area, we could see this thing just rip higher. But it's not time yet. I think we could go another leg lower. It's feeling pretty heavy here. What was my strategy? Get 100K in payouts, Eric? I mean, basically what I'm doing now is, or just going with the trend. Trend is your friend. It seems very simple, but it's true. You know what? I actually wanted to, hang on. Trades by Matt posted something that I really agree with. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so Trades by Matt, this is very true. And he Trades by Matt said, I'm convinced that 99% of trading concepts are drastically overcomplicated. I could not agree more. A reminder about making money is you do not need to be different to win. You just need to, like, if you just focus on getting a small piece of the pie every day and base hits, it's really, like, this sounds crazy, but I think a lot of traders, we have a tendency to overcomplicate it. It really isn't that complicated. Find something, or I am of a very, very strong opinion that the simpler the strategy, the better the success. Just keep it simple. It does not have to be, I think everyone gets under they can't, how would I say? They think a more complicated, and like the more complicated the strategy, that somehow that's going to be the secret sauce and that's what will make you profitable. I don't think, no, I'm a firm believer. It's just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. All right, it has not broken lower now. If we get above this 70 area, I'm not going to go long, but I'd be tempted. Okay, let's see if we get above the 70s here, or keep bumping our head right here on VWAP. It's kind of a, would be tempting to go short, would be tempting to go long right at this area. So let's see who wins. Let's see if the bulls squeeze above, I think the shorts are going to get squeezed. We're going to see a pop. If we rip lower here, the exact reversal is going to happen. The longs are going to get squeezed, and we're going to make a new, we're going to keep going lower. All right, we are above the 70s here. Let's see if we can keep going. Hey, you receive your payout in 1 day. Let's go. That's awesome, Shane. Congratulations. I love to see it. Finally had a winning day on your PA account. Been on the struggle bus. Let's go, CMB trades. That's awesome. Now, just make sure you shut it down for the day. Don't give back those profits. Just lock in that green day. Lock it in, boys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Hi. Oh. Hey, Vin S, good morning. Martin, good morning. How we doing, fellas? Plan for me is to trade tomorrow and Monday and then not touch those accounts until the first of for a payout request between Tuesday. Yeah, Matty Matt. Yep. Well, that 470, as soon as we made a move above that 470, is definitely holding up. It looks like we're just going to put in that V-shape reversal move. Kind of expected it, but Let's see if we get a, let's see if it continues. Now I just want to see a pullback, but not, I don't want to see new lows. I do not want to see new lows. As long as I don't care if we pull back, but I just don't want to see new lows here. I'm I'm sorry, it's just too funny. Ah, you know what? Good for Tanya. I respect it. Good for Tanya. She's standing up for herself and putting Patrick in his place. Today has got to be the best trading day ever. Hey, let's go. Here's Johnny. Just remember, shut it down. Shut it down, man. Lock in those gains. Lock them in. Lock it in, man. Trading with Travis sent me here. Hey, I appreciate that, Travis. Vin S, good to see you. You haven't seen Travis in a while? Actually, yeah, I guess I haven't either. I chat with him every now and then. I've been chatting with him. He's doing fine. What do you think about the new prop firm Profit Trade Funding Red Clay Trader? I wouldn't trust him. I mean, it's just like, it's, I just don't get it. I don't, I mean, I've shared my thoughts before. I don't think like these new prop firms that are going to keep popping up is just not worth it. It's not, there's enough reputable prop firms with a reputable and a history of paying out and a been in the industry long enough that it just doesn't make sense. I know that they might offer some kind of deal that looks shiny and new, but don't fall for it. It's not, I don't know, it's not worth it. If you do it, just make sure you dip your toe in the water. Just don't dive in head first. All right, we bumped our head. What bumped our head here at the pivot point and right here at the EMA. Let's see if we get a pullback now. this is I gotta show this. I'm sorry. This is just so typical. What kind of douchebag Patrick Wieland is? Whoa, look at that rip lower. All right, now see, this shows, okay, now if we make new lows here, all bets are off. And this doesn't look good for the longs. That's a big push lower. New idea, get a rabbit, Put it on meth and let it trade for me. Hey, anything works. But man, what a rip lower here. Crazy. So okay, I'm gonna show this because okay, look at this. So yesterday, Patrick Whelan was trying to start beef with Tanya Trades. And, you know, Tanya Trades just out here trying, you know, minding her own business. And like, and do you guys remember? Because I remember a couple months ago, anytime that Tanya had a red day, Patrick would make fun of her and kind of like, hey, I'll teach you how to trade. And she responded and said, stop telling me how to teach me how to trade, you ass. And then he responded and said, I just got to get your followers all worked up. It's good for the views. Ha ha. That's what Patrick responded with. Well, then Patrick had a red day. And then Tanya basically did the same thing back to him and, you know, said the same thing to Patrick about, hey, maybe I can teach you how to trade, right? So she does that and he immediately blocks her on Twitter. And then she responds here and says, dude, why you block me? I just did what you said to me and giving you engagement. And she responded like, rough day, huh? And Patrick responds, F you. Like, the guy is such an absolute, I mean, the guy's just an absolute douchebag. I'm glad she's calling him out on it. Like, what the heck? Just, like, he can't take it. He always wants to dish it out, but when someone gives it back to him, he just acts like a 2-year-old kid and throws a tantrum. Like, dude. Just absolutely crazy. And you know what else is crazy? I don't know who to believe here, but Tanya said that ICT asked him for a lawyer contract to send to him to do the trading competition that Patrick Whelan was asking for. And Tanya said that Patrick Whelan sent him, basically emailed him a, instead of a lawyer contract, it was a dick pic that he emailed ICT, and then he's making it seem like ICT backed out of the trading competition. I don't know who to believe there, but I mean, the guy's just absolute douchebag. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, he almost does sound bipolar, M. Susan. I agree. Yeah, Neo. Guy, but I guess the guy that has gone through 900 PA accounts, guy that's gone through 900 PA accounts in 10 months, I guess maybe they need to give him special discount codes so that, you know, so he can pay that, huh? Anyway, I know, Timbo. I'm sorry. I apologize. I should have gone. I should have used my beep button. Any thoughts on Robinhood allowing futures to be traded? I mean, I saw that news. I mean, that's kind of interesting. I don't know how. You know what will happen? It's another way that people can lose a lot of money. It's what's going to happen. All right, we are about to make new lows here. This is now, or maybe we'll make a double bottom here, but yikes. This is a big red flag here. We went from the 403s to the 503s. 100-point move higher, 100-point move lower. And now there you go, new lows. We have 173-point opening range. That is crazy. Wow. I have a hard time trading this now because I came into the day being very bullish, and now it's just like, I don't know where to go from here. Could be dead, still to be confirmed, Viter? Oh, really? I mean, in all honesty, Robinhood, people trading futures on Robinhood should be a benefit if you're a decent trader. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, we are at yesterday. This is some major support here at the 380s. We have some major support right here at the 380s. Let's see if it holds. But man, that's a crazy move lower here this morning. We've seen it so many times. When the overnight has this big of a move, it just usually wants to at least fill the gap halfway, sometimes all the way. Up 1700 to account blown design. Oh man. You probably caught this move and then you got trapped in this sell-off. Sorry, design man. I'm sorry, trading ever after. Oh man. Trying to get something going here off the 3080s. Just don't know if I want to trust it or not. Like, part of me, I want to try this. I want to try a long bounce off the 380s here, but just a lot of selling going on. Apex payout. What do you mean payout pending? You mean approval pending or payout pending max 90? approval can be pending. Like it can just make, it just depends. Well, I'm glad I did not take this stab long. This looks like it's just going to continue lower. Oh man, this is a kind of a weird day for, I don't know, I want to wait till we get an uptrend going, and that's what I want to jump on, but you profit flash sale? Oh, really, John? Man, we're trying to put in a bottom here, I feel like. Oh. I'm so tempted to go long here, but I feel like I probably need to be patient and wait. Man, I'm gonna do it. I don't know, man. I might have jumped the gun here. I'm It's one of those dangerous trades. We should see this rip right here. If it doesn't, I should maybe just kill this trade. We gotta see it rip. Like, really rip right here. Come on. It's not doing it. Ugh. And I'm out. It just couldn't get going. Now it's gonna go. Watch. Man. Ah. Now it's gonna go. That's how it happens when you try to. It's a risky trade. It's definitely struggling to get going here. I'm okay taking that off. Benzel, sometimes I do. Yeah, sometimes I do. I mean, I was okay with four micros there. I was totally fine with. Oh. Ooh. I want to almost go short if we go down below this. Just look for a big move lower. It looks like it can't get going. And now it's going to go. Yeah, it was kind of a bad fill too. It wicked up into it and then immediately, yeah, it was definitely not a good fill. We're just going to wait. Let's just be patient. We're going to have plenty. If this does reverse and makes a move, higher, we're going to have plenty of opportunity to get in. So we just got to be patient, wait for our opportunities, and then pounce. Trading ever after? No. You have to ask permission to use your own money. That's never good. That is never a good sign. And there we go. That sucks though. Literally stopped out right on that low tick. Unreal. Unfortunate. Oh well. Onwards we go. We look for the next setup. It's definitely not being, it's not like aggressively being bought here, but we are moving higher. All right, give me 1 second. I need to use the restroom. And we're back. All right, boys. Oh, wow. What a move. Can someone explain to me why I stopped myself out right here? Please and thank you. Oh, man. Oh, man. I literally. Oh, that makes. That hurts my heart right there. That is unfortunate. I got scared of losing. Facts, Duke. Those are facts. Those are facts, man. The stop wasn't set properly. Yeah, I agree. No, actually, my stop was down here. I just closed it prematurely because I got scared. You hate to see it. You hate to see it, man. But this is true. Man, this is. Now I just want to pull back here, but see if we can get an entry. But this is where we also have to be. Gotta be careful. Technically could take a short. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, this is not. Oh, my goodness. I'm nervous. I am nervous. I mean, look at how quickly that sold off again. Whoa. I need to pay attention to the market here. What's going on, folks? What is this market doing? What a wick. That's a crazy looking wick right there. Oh, I hate jumping in here like in the middle like this, but I'm gonna do it. Oh man, I wanted this to rip. Ah. Why am I jumping in here in the middle of it? Right in the middle of it. Unreal. We're getting wrecked today. I need to refocus jumping in when I shouldn't, just taking weird trades. Come on, let's go right here. Push it. Rip it. Give it to me. We got to get above that VWAP. Come on. Don't tease me. We just can't seem to get above it. Come on, right here. Push it. Push. Push, push, push. Rip it, rip it, rip it. Do it. Do it. Oh my gosh. This is painful. Truly painful. I'm not gonna watch. I'm not gonna watch. I hate this market. Man, I entered in the worst place. Just absolute ugh. Right in a choppy area. I feel like we're 50-50 on this trade on if it's just gonna rip lower or rip higher. And somehow I entered right in the middle of it. Yuck. Yucky yuck. Oh, I hate this. We're gonna get stopped out here. If this goes higher now. Son of a. We gotta take a moment here. We gotta take a moment here. We're getting dangerously close. We're getting dangerously close to some tilt. Gotta collect your thoughts. Stupid market. Let's hold till high of day. What do you say, guys? High of day. We'll hold till the opening range 589 ticks away. That's the mood I'm in. That's the mood I'm in right now. Don't talk to me until this price gets up to the 573s. Don't talk to me. Meanwhile, I'm going to start. I'm not kidding even. I'm not kidding. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold or we're going to get stopped out. Either way, I'm fine with. We're going to end the day either way. I'll start trailing my stop once we get above the 480s. Until then, do your thing, market. If you want to come back down here and stop me out, knock yourself out. Knock yourself out. I don't care. Go ahead. Test me. See if I care. I don't care, man. Go ahead. Come on down and stop me out. Do it. I dare you. See what happens. Come on down. You can do it. Go ahead. Wait. Start breaking keyboards. Yeah, right? Oh, I'm having a very frustrating morning. Hey, Travis, good morning. Good morning, Travis. Hope you're having a better day than I am. So, Top Step not allowing 5XFAs and live anymore is very interesting. Yeah, come on down, market. Go ahead. Stop me out and we'll call it a day, you piece of garbage. Absolute trash, market. Trash. Absolute trash. Oh my gosh, I'm out. All right, boys. I need to shut down this thing for the day. We are going to do some seriously weird stuff if I don't. I am currently using Guardian Angel Trader, locking everything out for the day. This is ugly, ugly, ugly. So disappointing. So disappointing. I just can't get anything going on these accounts, and it's starting to really, really frustrate me. I'm about to switch to minis, and we are going to go... It's about to go balls to the wall here. All right, we have officially shut down trading for the day. Now let me go out and strangle some kittens to make me feel better. I'll be right back. Is Apex doing one-day pass? I believe so. What is my EIB? This is the Trade Devil Indicator's initial balance indicator. And it's the 15-minute opening range is what I have it set to. Don't hurt any kittens. Let me go kick the dog then. So I hate it. Just man, I don't know. It's my own fault. This always happens on days like today when I'm very bullish, biased, very bullish. I'm waiting for a pullback, waiting. Finally, I enter long here and then I get stopped out and then it goes without me. and then what proceeds is just it's just inevitable. You know, I'm gonna then try to, it's just it makes me wanna, this is where I get really, really frustrated. But this is where this is where I feel like the big difference is between me this year versus last year. Like last year, I would have ended stream and blown all these accounts in about 40 minutes. I'm not even joking. Today, now I'm understand that it's okay. We just got to walk away from a big red day. We got to walk away, man. You got to survive for another day. It's just not worth going on till. It just isn't worth it. Learn to walk away. It's hard. It ain't easy. Especially when you're mad. But it's true. GAT for the win. That's right, Detonator. Watch. Just to prove that I have GAT on, watch me click button. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happens, man. I can't trade if I wanted to. It's just so frustrating. Anyway, enough of that. Let's talk about Travis. I wanted to ask, where did you hear the Top Step news? If you can say, you don't have to say if you don't want to, but because I mean, it's kind of funny because I was literally talking about that like a week ago. I was saying how it's kind of weird that Top Step puts you on a live account, but then they allow you to keep trading 5 sim accounts. Like, I've always found that very weird. Like, why would you allow someone that you have identified as being a great trader that you want to move to a live account? Why in the world would you allow them to trade 5x the leverage on a sim account? Like, it completely negates the purpose of putting that person on a live account. It's very stupid. I said that literally a week ago. There's always a workaround. Shh. Good morning, squad. Was seeing your son on the video yesterday. Oh, Imabu, thank you. He literally walked in, and then I'm like, well, I was going to do the video. I guess I might as well try it. A guy said something, but nothing was confirmed. I don't know, Mike. That's not confirmed. It's better for the trader. Yeah, okay, but here's the problem with that whole theory. The whole point of if you have a prop firm, the whole point is you identify the good traders and then you move them to a live account so that your success is their success. Like I've always said, you see all these cliches with prop firms that say, oh, we're here for the trader. Your success is our success. And I'm like, no, it isn't. When you're on a prop sim account, every payout that we take is money they have to pay out. Don't BS me. You don't, like, that's a net negative for the prop firm. They will pay out, but it's not like that our success is their success. No, it's not. Let's call it like it is. If we get payouts, they lose money. That's just the way it is. So the whole point is to move people into a live account once you identify the good traders. So then why the world would you allow them to, why would you allow them to have 5 sim funded accounts while you let them trade 1 live account? don't make no sense. Yeah, I think they're getting too many XFA payouts with people. It's weird how all the prop firms eventually change, isn't it? They went to 5 XFAs and now Top Step is realizing that maybe that's not a good idea. Yeah, Dad Nader, supposedly. Ain't worth my money. Now Patrick Whelan is crying about me. Patrick is butthurt because he thought he was going to get an exclusive 90% sale. Now he's blaming me for ruining it for him. Go bite me, Patrick. Bite me. You got wrecked. That's what happened. He's all... Yeah, Patrick is big mad right now. As if he would be, yeah. Yeah, foo-foo rara, I agree. Patrick is big mad and he's trying to blame other people for his problems. Very funny, dude. Oh, man. Yeah, I agree, John. Anyway, I better watch what I say. He's he's gonna make he's gonna try to he's trying to blame me for everything, but yeah, Rad Poker. By the way, Rad Poker, I've been waiting for you to come into chat. Rad Poker, I need you to go to Tanya Trades live stream this morning. Go to the beginning, like, I don't know, is it 5 minutes in? And I need you to watch that. I need you to watch. Okay? Okay, Rad Poker? I need you to do that and then report back to me. Patrick thought he was number one and then he got cut down to size and he be mad. Oh, man. You would need to get, well, I guess it depends what you requested, Imabu. You would have to get like 155, 100. So as long as you don't request below that. Yeah, I knew that we get some we're getting some Patrick Whelan haters in the chat. Keep hating, man. They should have not have my payout request on my dashboard available. Yeah, I think Amabu that's going to change. I think that's going to change in the future. You think I care? I'm very interested to see though about that top step, like if that is true or not. Very interesting. What's going on with Top Step? Well, they're just saying that if you have XFAs, like once you go to a live account, you can no longer have XFA accounts. So if I use the Apex trade copier, I don't. I use the Replicanto one currently. I found that to be the most accurate, but yeah. Oh man, well, it's TANJA, Trader JMB. Yeah, Travis, did you see the beef that they had? I mean, Tanya Trades pretty much just called out Patrick Whelan this morning. She even brought up the DMs. It was pretty ugly. And we just continue going lower. Let's see if we make new lows here. Definitely a good thing that I just shut down my trading for the day because do I need popcorn? You might. Oh yeah, Travis, you got to go back and listen. Actually, never mind. Let me hang on. Hang on, Travis. Just hang on. Check your DMs. uh check your DMs. Shoot. I need adjustments on my strategy. Honestly, today was one of those days where I didn't really follow my strategy. This this trade here was okay. Like this trade here was okay, but this trade was not okay. This trade wasn't okay. Not part of my strategy, and I got a little bit on tilt, little bit on tilt. The last two trades were a little bit of a revenge trade, so we got to just get back on track. We got to get back and focusing on taking good setups. Take good setups, be patient. We got to I noticed yesterday I over traded a little bit, and today I did it again, paid the price. I just gotta hone it back in, focus on the strategy, taking the setups, letting the trade work, and then that's it. Mm. But we live and learn. We live and learn, man. Just gotta try not to make the same mistake again. But it sucks, no doubt about it. What trading platform this is? This is Ninja Trader. Oh man, I don't know what I should just end stream and go. I don't even know what I should do. I should go play golf or something. You know what? I actually do need to go mow my lawn today. So, uh, today just ain't it. Hey, Kellyanne in the building. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's got me down? Oh, it's just terrible trading by Mr. Nutty Bar this morning. Terrible trading, and I'm just not in the mood. Not in the mood. And then we got trolls from Patrick Whelan's channel coming over. I'm not in the mood. We're gonna have casualties if I stick around too long. I can tell. Oh. What trolls teaching us how to Photoshop? Yeah, Kellyanne. Patrick Whelan's all but hurt this morning at me, I guess, because supposedly I cannot confirm or deny, but he's blaming me for his problems. Oh. Oh, go after him, traitorous chick. You got full control. I don't mind. Good morning, traitorous chick. Ah. But yeah, Kellyanne, it's there's been a lot of prop firm drama this morning. What do I need to do to absolutely roast in the chat? I don't know, man. Oh, I don't know what to do with my hands. I want to Apex or FTT. Not prop firm drama, but influencer drama. Yesterday, yesterday Patrick Whelan started going after Tanya Trades. You know how Patrick Whelan does. And then this morning, Tanya Trades gets asked about it. And Tanya Trades just goes and pulls all the receipts. She wasn't messing around. she got out the DMs and I mean, just called out Patrick Wheeland with the receipts. And it was pretty funny. I thought it was pretty funny. But then Patrick Wheeland, he was promoting yesterday, he was promoting that he's going to have 90% Apex sale today, but you need to tune into his stream this morning to get him. But he's going to have an exclusive 90% sale going on his stream. But magically it didn't happen. It just didn't happen. But then he's trying to blame me for, he's claiming he had a deal locked in, and he's claiming that I cried about it and other influencers cried about it, and then they pulled the deal, and he's blaming, he was wanting to blame us. Very funny, man. I guess we all got to get our clicks somehow, huh? Got to get, Patrick must, struggling a little bit with the live viewers. He's a little bit upset. Tanya trades almost double the amount of viewers than he does, and he was trying to get back on top, I guess. I don't know. Just didn't work out for him. It's unfortunate. Yeah, I think that wouldn't be a terrible idea, John. And even if he did have a deal, it is BS. Like that is BS. And I would question if that was true. I would question it. I cannot verify that it was. They were homies at one point. Yeah, they were. Tanya Trades and Patrick Wheeland did a collaboration stream together. They were friends. Here's what happened. Then Tanya had a couple red days, like she had a couple red days, and then Patrick would make fun of her and be like, "Oh, let me teach you how to trade, Tanya." And Tanya was like, he did it a couple times in a row. And Tanya Trades was like, "Dude, stop doing that." And then he replied and said, "Oh, I only do it for the engagement. LOL." So then Patrick posts his red day, and then Tanya responds and does the same thing to him and just says, "Hey, maybe I should teach you how to trade." And then he blocks her in 30 seconds and responds. And then Tanya Trades texts him and is like, "Dude, I was just doing to you what you were doing to me, for engagement." And his response was, "F you." And that's the last he spoke to her. What an absolute tool. What an absolute tool. My volume? Oh, that, I'm not even sure. I think that's just a up down. I think that's a standard indicator, up down volume bar. But yeah, okay, if he really was just doing that to Tanya for engagement, then why wasn't he able to take the same thing in return? Like, dude, take it like a man. Take it like a man. But no, he goes and blocks her and then tells her to F off. What an absolute clown. The guy's a clown show. He always has been, he always will be. But hey, buy my course. Meanwhile, he's gone through 900 PA accounts to get his $80,000 in payouts. I don't think so, boy. Did you see Kellyanne? Lulu. And yeah, he wants attention, but then when someone does the same thing to him, he can't take it. Like, dude, if you're going to do that type of thing, then take it like a man. If you're going to dish it out, then you need to be able to take it. It's that simple. You don't need to be a little, you know what, just take it like a man and move on with your life. Yeah, go to your live stream in the beginning, futures. Kellyanne, go to the beginning. You'll enjoy it, trust me. It's pretty rich. It's pretty rich. But I think PW had some regrets. I think he had some regrets for what he said yesterday because she wasn't messing around. I love it. He's fighting with CFT now. Is he blaming him for lying about a 90% promotion as well now? He was trying to blame me. Now he's trying to blame CFT as well. Oh, typical. This is the same guy. Like, this is the same guy that was cookie stuffing his only prop firm's link. All right. Like, he was cookie stuffing it, and then he claimed, oh, that was a mistake. I didn't know they did that. Like, what a bunch of garbage. Of course he knew. He was trying to blame it on the developers of his website, that somehow the developers of his website just magically knew what his affiliate link was for Apex and cookie stuffed it on his only prop firm's link and made sure to do it when he first rolled out that only prop firm's account. Absolutely BS. If that was me, and you know what, I better not say it. Ooh, I better not say it. I need to go off stream right now before I say anything stupid. But I'm sorry, the guy's a clown show. Yeah, right, Travis. Remember that? Yeah, trust me. There was exactly he knew exactly what he was doing. Yeah, Kelly, and it's just sometimes my wife always tells me, you need to be more careful what you say on stream. Probably true, but sometimes I can't help myself. When I see the BS, I cannot deal with it. It's just absolute garbage. Yeah, exactly, Travis. Exactly. Uh yeah, JMB, I agree. I agree. What happened? Is that my max daily loss? Yes, it is. We effed around this morning. We found out just a sequence of bad trading, revenge trading, bad trading. It all started here when I was looking for a reversal. I was looking for a reversal all morning. I was very bullish. I was wanting to wait till we see a move lower. And then I went long right here, and I got stopped out right here. And of course, we go higher. So that kind of triggered me maybe a little bit. Then I took a long right here and got stopped out. And then these two trades were just revenge trades. Don't even pay attention to them. And then I shut down my trading for the day. So we've inflicted max pain, and now we're just chilling, I guess. I don't even know why I'm still here. I don't know why I'm here, but I got nothing else to do. Urgh. I guess you guys can all be mad with me. Oh. Like right here would be an entry, but I ain't, obviously we can't even take a trade if we wanted to. Hey, day trading like a predator, how we doing? Need bigger stops. I know, right? I love it, Kellyanne. You're not wrong. Today, you're not wrong. By the way, where's John? John, what was the deal about you profit? You had mentioned, like, what was that? Flash sale, but like what is the flash sale about? You're 6,600 in the green, Kellyanne. Let's go. I hate you today, but that's awesome. That's awesome. Is that on funded accounts? Yeah, I'm done for the day, Steven. I am done for the day. Where's Kid Poker? I saw him. I saw him yesterday in the chat. 50K for $39. Is that the flash sale? I thought that was just their standard sale. Huh, interesting. It is kind of, I don't know. I feel like oh, okay, John. Thank you. Thank you, John. Hmm. You're at 5,500? Man, you guys are killing it today. Well, you know what? I'm serious. I am happy though. Up 400 on all your PA and personal. Nicely done, Kellyanne. That's awesome. We have Profit Trade, FTT, Tradeify, and NextGen. I mean, obviously, direct to funding is going to gain steam because people see that people are willing to spend that amount of money. But the question is, will it hold up? Fast Track can't pay people. I get it. By the way, does someone here, like, I know some of you know him, 100 lot. Does someone know 100 lot? Like, is someone here in, like, he hasn't, I'm genuinely concerned about 100 lot. He had a pending payout with FTT that he really needed, and I really, really want to know if they got paid. Almighty, you do? Yeah, okay, yeah, Almighty, you know 100 lot. So do you know if he got paid from FTT? Because I know he was waiting on his payout, and then he just disappeared. Like, I haven't seen him since. And I'm worried. I'm worried about, man. I'm worried about him. I think about him a lot. Anyway, I just want to make sure he's okay. But Almighty, have you been in contact with him? He's fine? Okay, that's awesome. But yeah, I mean, I mean, it's astounding anymore. I mean, unbelievable. So Patrick Whelan promotes yesterday, sends out massive emails to everyone that he's going to have 90% sale on Apex, and then that doesn't happen. And now he's using that to promote and sell his course now. Genius marketing, and absolutely shameless. And the market continued. Man, this would have been a really nice entry right here. Obviously, we are not taking it because we messed around this morning and we are no longer trading for the day. I did tech 111. I agree. The money's hit just yet, Almighty. His last update was him getting more payouts, so he's fine for sure. Doing good, if anything. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Almighty. I appreciate that. uh the ICT. Wait, are you serious? Hang on. Hang on, Kellyanne. I didn't see. I gotta see this. Hey, you hit 5K sub. Let's go. Congratulations, Kellyanne. Oh man. Oh. All right, guys. I think I need to call it here. I just can't. It's I'm not gonna keep trading, and I'm just gonna be spewing nonsense the rest of the day that I don't think anyone needs to hear. So I don't know. I'm just not in the mood right now. I'm not in the mood to look at charts. I'm just, I need to go mow the lawn. I think I'm going to go mow the lawn, even if it doesn't need mowing. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for stopping in. Appreciate it. And hopefully we can have a better day tomorrow. Hopefully your day was better than mine. I know, John, I know. I'm going to get myself in trouble. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Take care, and God bless.